Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Nini Danalbayas, 36 years old, from La Union, Philippines. I am married and with three kids, two boys and one girl. We are seven in the family. I have three brothers and three sisters. I am the sixth child in the family. I am high school graduate and I am Christian. I am hardworking, honest, understanding, friendly, and child-loving. With regards to my work experience, I worked in Baguio City, Philippines for 3 years as a housemaid to Mr. and Mrs. Johnson Lagman from March 2020 to March 2023, consisting of per person, two adults, and two children. My household chores are doing laundry, cleaning, cooking, and sometimes gardening, and sending the children to school. When school finishes, I pick up the children to get home. When we arrive at home, I assisting them to change their clothes. After that, I prepare their foods for dinner. And after they eat their food, I help them to their homeworks if I know the answer. And I if there are time, I play with them before they sleep. To my future employer in Hong Kong, please select me because I'm trustworthy, honest, and I will promise that I will do my best to do my responsibilities to your family. And I will promise to finish the contract with you for 2 years or more. Thank you and God bless.